This video is for Safety Labs B2B customers and partners. Follow these steps to pre-configure an anchor to allow to install process. This is a one-time step. Download and install Anchor Finder on your Windows computer. Anchor Finder is only supported on Windows. You will also need an Ethernet cable to connect the anchor to the local network. To pre-configure an anchor to a patient, the patient must be added in SLGS. To add patient watch video, connect an unregistered anchor to a local Ethernet network using an Ethernet cable and turn on the anchor. Start Anchor Finder and locate your anchor on Anchor Finder. Click on the unregistered anchor. Note the 6-character anchor code. Click on the link on the page and then log in. Step 6 is to register anchor to the patient. Enter anchor ID and press Verify Anchor. Find patient to register. Press Register Patient. If anchor is connected to TV, anchor will display the CNE page. Pre-configuring the Wi-Fi credentials of the patient enables the easy two-step to install in the patient's home. Find your anchor on Anchor Finder. Once the patient is registered with the anchor, the patient's name is displayed on the Anchor Finder. Double-click on the anchor to start the anchor management interface, and go to the Network tab. Click on the Edit button, enter the patient's SSID and password. Click on Save. Now shut down anchor. Click on the System tab. Press Shut Down Anchor. Place anchor in the kit. The kit is ready to send. When anchor is turned on at the patient home, it will automatically connect with the patient's Wi-Fi.